Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Y.F.Y.L, Yearning for Your Love. The song is Yearning for Your Love. The artist is P.J. Martin, and the choreography is Forward Motion and DAMAYA Jones. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you want the step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Having you around in my life. Oh, baby. Oh, no. So many times I wanted to hold you oh so near, so near. Wanna say I love you, softly in your ear. Oh, baby. Oh, don't keep running. Is yearning for your love. Oh, my heart is yearning for your love. That you can't keep running in and out of my life. I need to have you as my lover and my wife. Oh, baby.
Y'all cannot tell me that ain't no vibe. That is a vibe. What's wrong with y'all? Hey, hey, hey. That is Yearning for Your Love. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who That teacher.